I feel like every single day my dark circles are worse and the little sanity that I have is slightly more gone. I could have got Tide Pods, but I'd be tempted to eat those, so I'd rather drink this instead. TV, which I'm kind of putting off packing by like doing this like moment of reflection, but like I'm not actually reflecting, I'm just thinking of like picking up that TV. It's me, Simran, and today I'm coming at you with my college pack with me vlog, which is kind of weird because I'm actually now in college and I've been in college, but I never filmed like an intro for this video because I was too busy having mental breakdowns left and right. This is left, this is right, but whatever. Anyways, so I never filmed an intro, and literally right now I look busted as heck because I just woke up, and yeah, but I was like, yo, I need an intro for this video, and so now I'm filming the intro. Because for those of you who don't know, I go to a school on a quarter system, which means we don't start till like the end of September, early October, and so I like didn't buy my stuff because I didn't want to buy stuff early if I didn't know all the details, like what type of dorm I was gonna have, who I was dorming with, and all that. And I didn't get that info till the end of August, so I really left all my packing, shopping, and just everything for like the week before moving, and you're about to see all the mental breakdowns that entailed because it was literally a disaster, but also I got here in the end. So I literally had an eye boogie this whole clip, so that's how that's going. Okay, so starting off we have makeup, and I want to try and fit all my makeup, brushes, everything in here. I'm hoping we can do it. I think it's possible. Basically all fits. I'm gonna keep these open for now, but when I'm ready to pack them up and go, I'll just tape it down, and this is done. Only thing that didn't fit is my Vino moisturizer. I think I'm gonna keep this with my skincare stuff. So yeah, one thing done. Kind of looks like something threw up all over this room, but I decided I'm gonna make this the packing headquarters. Once something's packed, I'm gonna put it here so it's easy to take from the car because I got a lot of new stuff, as you can see in front. Okay, mini haul. I'll do everything by store, I guess. There's not a lot of stuff from one store in particular, so. Walmart, I got extra thick mattress pad in twin XL, measuring cups, non-woven 10 shelf closet organizer. We also had a Brita filter, but my roommate has that, along with like a thing to put your dishes in when you dry them. This scale, we bought this a while ago. Next, from Target, I got this mirror. I got this in my back to school haul. Simple mirror. This poncho, emergency poncho, because it's always raining. I don't have a rain jacket and I didn't buy one, and I don't know if I have time to buy one now, so at least I got this. From Bed Bath & Beyond, I got 10 washcloths, and then from the 99-cent store, I got hamper for laundry. Apparently we have 10 of these at home, and I bought for no reason, but you can't return stuff at the 99-cent store, so. I got a shower caddy, mini Tide soap. It's so cute. I could have got Tide Pods, but I'd be tempted to eat those, so I'd rather drink this instead. And then lastly, random miscellaneous stuff. I got this as a gift a while ago, a set of bowls, so I was taking 3 of these. So I have Tupperware because they have like lids and stuff and they're super cute. And then this we also got as a gift a while ago. It's like a dish set for one person, so it's perfect for me. And yeah, that's basically my haul, and I have to go back to packing, but this was a fun little break. Still really overwhelmed, but. So today I'm gonna pack up all my clothes, so excuse my outfits for basically the rest of this video because I'm wearing like all the stuff I'm not gonna bring. That's gonna be great. Also, sorry if like the color correcting is terrible. I don't know how I'm gonna fix this. This is ugly, but I slept all day and now I have to do all my work in the night. So what I've done is I've recreated my college closet, because it's roughly gonna be around this big, probably a little smaller, in my sister's closet. So she's gonna help me figure out what I should pack and what I should leave here. So yeah. not doing well recently. We're really not. It looks like it's little, but it's really not. It's just because I have those finesse hangers going on. That's how it looks. I'm gonna go back to not doing well, and I will see you tomorrow when I'm doing even worse, because homesickness is so real. I haven't even left yet, and I'm already sad.
Oh, how would you want that?
So it's the next day, and I feel like every single day my dark circles are worse, and the little sanity that I have is slightly more gone. But today we went grocery shopping. Gonna come at you with another haul. This was not my best decision, but like, worst case scenario, I'll need this. I got this twin size blanket so that way I'll be warm, because I literally get cold so easily. Like, I swear hoes aren't supposed to get cold, but your girl's always cold, so take from that whatever you need. Medium shell pasta. I got 2 of these, even though that's like way more pasta than a girl needs. Have you guys seen that meme where it's like, if we're together we'll have pasta for breakfast, pasta for lunch, that's kind of gonna be me. So going with that, I also got pasta sauce. A man without sauce is lost, but the same man can have too much sauce and get lost in the sauce. That's not even the correct quote. Anyways, got raspberry jam, even though I didn't get any bread for it. We'll figure that out after. I can just eat this by the spoonful. It's fine.
All of this stuff is in yours.
And then I got toothpaste, because I need to keep my shiny teeth in me. My shiny teeth in me. Hand sanitizer, because I accidentally touched bird poo today and I was having a little mental breakdown, so now I can be prepared for those mental breakdowns. Will I actually clean stuff? I don't know, but I got cleaner. Hand soap, and it had a little pumpkin on it. Isn't that so cute? Shampoo. Don't ask me why I use baby shampoo. It's fine. Don't worry about it. Gosh. And I have to pack all this stuff, and my other stuff, and my clothes, and we forgot to buy the garbage bags for my clothes, so we're going to use kitchen ones that smell like lemon, so all my clothes are going to smell like lemon. Did I mention that I'm not doing well recently? Because I'm not. Speaking into existence, if you think about it, if I keep saying I'm not doing well, I will do not well. I have to say I'm doing great. I'm fine. Everything. Now I feel like I've only been vlogging in the night, because in the day I'm just like doing everything else, and I'm like, now I need a vlog, like now I need to pack. I have to finish up my packing, get like the last couple things done, and we'll be good to go, which is crazy because I've been looking forward to moving day like all summer, and now it's like less than 24 hours away and I am not ready. Just not letting me pack my college bag. My 12-year-old sister.
Isn't that a self-reflection time for you?
Ow!
You say ow a lot.
Because I'm always getting injured. We're basically done. All I have left is the TV, which I'm kind of putting off packing by like doing this like moment of reflection. But like I'm not actually reflecting, I'm just thinking of like picking up that TV.
Anybody who says Simon's weak is lying.
I just want everyone to acknowledge the fact that I'm just casually holding a TV like this little thing. Me and Jocelyn are truly the smartest people on the entire planet. Immediately after closing the van, we realized that, one, we forgot the makeup. And I was like, it's okay, I'll just do my makeup in the morning anyways, and I'll put that in tomorrow. So I was like, okay, cool. And now it's been a good 20 to 30 minutes, or maybe 15 minutes. I don't know. It's been like a good amount of time, and it hit me because I was like, honestly, the van isn't even that full. I did such a good job. You want to see what I forgot? All my clothes. Yes. So yeah, that's basically the end of the pack with me. From now, we're starting the moving vlog. That's kind of crazy, but if you guys want to see my moving vlog, subscribe because that'll be coming out very soon after this video. And special thank you to Jocelyn. I was gonna wait till you were not here to film this part, but like I just want to film a thank you to my family for helping me so much and just being so kind. I already missed them. I haven't even left yet, so you already know while editing this I'm gonna be so emo. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a big thumbs up and I'll see you. Bye.